Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We keep it short here. Yeah, nothing that don't really want to repeat what I said in the previous videos about those moves here that all happened. We talked about it. We saw a reaction to the target area. All good. The question is now the nature of this dip. What's going to happen here? Few possibilities. Possibility one, that ABC was complete in a wave B and we're coming down in wave C into the region between 1130 to 1330. Other possibility that all of this was only a wave A of an extended blue wave B, so highlighted there as an alternative wave B in red. A, B, C. In that scenario we would only see a three wave move down, which we had now. A, B, C, now which we had now. From here we would need to move up in an impulsive wave to the upside in a wave C, making higher highs than 1790. So that's one possibility. And the third possibility is actually that we are here in a different wave pattern WXY. In the Y wave, we would expect here also an ABC down, but it should take us into the region between 1130 and 1330. And in that scenario, we would expect here an ABC. Okay, this is possible. And if we see this ABC, we're looking now at a five wave move down. So these are all the possibilities. Again, you can see that there usually is a retracement expected in most scenarios. The only scenario where we don't expect a retracement to the upside before we go down further here at some point is if we go down straight away in an A, B, C wave in five waves down. Then we would expect to go down quite quickly by losing the $1,500 level into the region down below. Yeah, as I said, this dip is going to tell us a lot about how the next few weeks are going to continue. So anybody who wants to play it safe, in my opinion, that's how I do it. And my plan at the moment is to accumulate just down here. And there's no, either we go down there straight away or we go up first and come down then. This is all in the scope of possibilities, but because in my opinion we're going to end down here anyway, I will be quite aggressive down here. Yeah. At the moment, of course, this could be traded as soon as we have a confirmed bottom. This could be traded long. Sorry, and in anticipation that we have this wave C coming still. Yeah, or that we are in this WXY pattern that I mentioned, and that this here will be a wave A, there will be a B and a C. But again, then you have a problem because trading wave B is unreliable. But of course, accumulating here and taking some profits here is always a possibility, but more risky. So where are we now in this journey? At the moment, my view is that there is a good chance that we are creating here five waves down. So which scenario would that be? That would actually be the scenario where we would say, okay, WXY, and in the Y wave, we are doing an ABC. Yeah, this is currently how it comes across to me, because this to me is looking like, or there's at least a good chance that this is going to be five waves down. But if it is five waves down, the way this is built at the moment doesn't really look like that we're getting down into this green area. Yeah, so because of the length of the wave 5, we wouldn't get here most likely not. That's why I think if we see one more leg down, it would be five waves in my opinion. And after that, we would then see a wave B up and a C down. Now, maybe I will accumulate a little bit if there is one more dip. That's sort of how I plan to do this. Maybe accumulating a little bit to keep the risk low and then scaling up should we get a confirmed uptrend. So in this scenario, what we would do, we would say, okay, here, that was probably wave 1, 2. Here, the 3 that matched very well with the fibs. And you could say maybe this was a 4, maybe this was a 5, and we're going higher. If we go higher from here, and the 5 waves are already done, even though it's a very short wave 5, so I'm not convinced yet, then we would need to break above the wave 4 high. So this is very likely that the 5 waves are already in if we break above 1632. Until then, I would expect the wave 5 is still coming, and we're in a wave 4 triangle. The wave 4 might work out as a triangle. A, B, C, D, E, and then come down. This is valid as long as I said, as long as, and I move it up, we stay below 1632. Very important. As long as that's not broken, we can look at wave 4 still unfolding. A move above wave 4 would suggest a much stronger retracement is at play here. Yeah, in that case, then probably that we have already seen the wave 5. Okay, and that would mean that we are moving up in a wave B and then come down in a C. So I'll keep you updated about that. That's one possibility. So that is the key breakout level, but it would probably not be a very strong move up, to be fair, if it is that ABC, because it is makes the impression of 5 waves could be complete, currently not confirmed, because we would need to go above 1632. I would like to see a clearer wave 5, to be honest. And if we talk about this would also be in line what we talked about just in the Bitcoin video. Yeah, so to see one more leg down, but again, this is the breakout point. That we go down straight away in 5 waves, I nearly don't expect, to be honest. Yeah, that would be a bit too obvious, a bit too clear. But that would come into effect if Bitcoin drops, let's say, below 19.4 or 19K, then we'll probably go down straight away. That's my view, even though I don't like correlations, but that's something to keep an eye on. Otherwise, yeah, we could see also this at the moment only as 3 waves, because we have only 1 to 3, as I said. So A, B, C, and if we see again a move above 1632 in an impulsive wave, that could suggest we are in wave C. So that is why I accumulated Bitcoin, yeah, not ETH yet, but Bitcoin in this region, because there is the potential to go higher, but it's for me not clear enough yet. Therefore, I only accumulated a little bit on the spot market. Still a very shaky and very uncertain environment here at the moment. So to the downside, the key level is the $1,500 level. If we lose this, to keep it very simple, if we lose 1,500, it's very likely to go down straight away. Above 1,500, either the wave C scenario where we could go up quite considerably, or the wave B, which is a bit unpredictable, but it would also go up, maybe into the region just roughly, yeah, of 1672 or something. Yeah, above 1,500, these scenarios are likely. Okay, and that information should give you all that you need to be able to understand the risk that we currently have and to calculate your risk and possible reward here. So what I personally do, will consider, not 100% confirmed yet, but I will consider, if we see another dip but hold above 1,500, to buy carefully a long position. Okay, and if we lose the 1,500, I will just go quite aggressive in here, in this area. So there's nothing wrong with starting slowly to accumulate here when profits were taken at 1,700, and then going in more aggressively in that area. Okay, or alternatively starting to accumulate here, and if we see a confirmed uptrend, maybe with the first 1-2 setup, then going higher to scaling in a little bit, maybe even with leverage. This is all sort of possible. It's all depending on your own risk management and strategy. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.